my maths class. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 2, whole numbers. Okay, this is NCERT 6 maths. Okay, so in previous classes what we learned in this chapter, what are natural numbers, predecessor and successor, then what are whole numbers. Okay, then we have completed exercise 2.1 also. So now we are going to start properties of whole numbers. Okay, so before starting, I have given the link in the description box for chapter 1. You can see all the parts of chapter 1, and chapter 2, 3 parts are there, so please watch it out. Okay, so let's start. Properties of whole numbers. So before starting, when we look into various operations, what do you mean by operations? Operation, it is plus, minus, multiplication, then division. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Operations बोलते हैं. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called operations. When we look into various operations on numbers closely, we notice several properties of whole numbers. Okay, अगर हम लोग ये सब देखते हैं various numbers में various operations को हम लोग देखते हैं, that is कभी addition, subtraction, multiplication, division ये सब करते हैं ना, तो वो सब ध्यान से आप लोग देखते हो तो तभी we notice several properties, उसी में से हमें बहुत कुछ properties पता चल जाता है. These properties help us to understand the numbers better. Okay, अब इसमें से हमें properties का पता चल जाता है, and the properties help us to understand the numbers. Numbers के बारे में हमें पता चल जाता है. Moreover, they make calculations under certain operations very simple. Okay, moreover, what they do, they make calculations. कुछ calculations करने के बाद under certain operations very simple, easy method में पता चल जाता है. Okay, so what are the properties? First property is closure property, commutative property, then associative property, then distributive property. So we are going to learn each and everything separately. Okay, in this class we are going to do only two properties, that is closure property and commutative property. Okay, next class we will learn about associative property and distributive property. Okay, we are going to see the first property, that is closure property. Okay, so first we are going to see about addition. Okay, then multiplication, फिर उसके बाद सब्ट्रैक्शन, देन डिविजन करेंगे. ओके, एक एक ऑपरेशन को हम करके देख लेते हैं क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी में. ओके, फर्स्ट एडिशन. ओके, इफ वी ऐड एनी टू होल नंबर्स द रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज अ होल नंबर. ओके, एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी, एडिशन में क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी में एडिशन में क्या लिखा है? सो कभी हम लोग ऐड करके देखते हैं, दैट इज कोई भी नंबर्स आप ऐड करोगे, टू नंबर्स को ऐड करने के बाद आपको क्या मिलेगा? हमेशा होल नंबर ही मिलता है. ओके, टू होल नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद व्हाट यू विल गेट द होल नंबर ओनली. ओके, सो आप अपने तरफ से आप कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 10 plus 10, व्हाट इज 10 plus 10? इज 20. 10 is a whole number and 10 is a whole number. Okay, and 20, what is the answer? 20. 20 is also a whole number. So we can see some more examples also. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 7 is a whole number and 8 is also a whole number. If we add both the whole numbers, what you will get? You will get 15. 15 is a whole number. Okay, same. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 is a whole number and these two 5s are also a whole number. Then 0 plus 15. 0 is a whole number. 15 is a whole number. What you will get? The answer 15 is also a whole number. So finally what we wind up here, the collection of whole numbers is closed under addition. Okay, so जो कलेक्शन ऑफ होल नंबर्स की जो कलेक्शन है, दैट इज दो नंबर्स को ऐड करोगे, सो यू विल गेट ओनली होल नंबर. एडिशन करने के बाद आपको होल नंबर्स एडिशन करने के बाद आपको होल नंबर्स ही मिलेगा. ओके, सो इट इज क्लोज्ड अंडर एडिशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी टू होल नंबर्स द रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो अ होल नंबर. अगर टू होल नंबर्स को आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो आंसर भी होल नंबर ही मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 11 into 2. Okay, 11 2s are 22. So 11 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number and 22 is also a whole number. ऐसे करके आप बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू कैन डिस्कस विद योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. So 7 and 8 is a whole number. And if you the answer is also a whole number, that is 56 is also a whole number. 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. So 25 is also a whole number. Same. 0. 0 is a whole number and the smallest whole number is 0. So 0 multiplied by 15 is 0. So answer and these two numbers are also whole number and the answer is also a whole number. So at last what we wind up here, the system of whole numbers is closed under मल्टीप्लीकेशन में भी ये क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी that is closed है. Okay, so the system of whole numbers is closed under multiplication. Okay, so at last what we can say, whole numbers are closed under, whole numbers किस में closed है, addition and also under multiplication. addition and multiplication दोनों में ये whole numbers closed है. Okay, we will see about subtraction and division के बारे में हम देख लेंगे. Okay, closure property में. Okay, if we find the difference of any two whole numbers, the result is not always a whole number. Okay, कभी आप लोग subtraction करते हो, okay, subtraction two whole numbers को आप subtraction करते हो, तभी क्या होगा difference? Sometimes we get whole numbers, sometimes we will not get whole numbers. Okay, so integers minus में भी answer मिलता है. So वो minus में जो answer मिलता है वो whole number नहीं होता है ना. So examples, 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, 6 minus 2, 6 and 2 are whole numbers and 4 is a whole number. Okay, एक बार हो गया है, दूसरी बार देख लेते हैं. 7 minus 8, 7 minus 8 is minus 1. इंटीजर में चलेंगे. That is हमेशा हम लोग को whole number and whole number है तो तभी closure property में होगा. Otherwise it is not closed under subtraction. अगर minus में आंसर आ जाता है तो it is not under subtraction. Okay, so this is not a whole number. minus 1 is not a whole number. अगर 1 मिल जाता है तो वो तो whole number है. Okay, next 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. This is a whole number. 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 is not a whole number. Okay, so what we can say, if you find the difference of two whole numbers, so the result is not always a whole number. Okay, हर बार हमें whole number ही नहीं मिलता है, कभी whole number कभी integers में, तो it is not closed under subtraction. Okay, next division. If we divide a whole number by another whole number, then the result is not always a whole number. Same subtraction जैसे ही ये division भी. Okay, कोई whole number मतलब दो whole numbers को आप divide कर रहे हो तो what you will get, the result is not always a whole number. Okay, हर बार आपको whole number नहीं मिलता है. Okay, example, क्योंकि division आपको पता है, division means repeated subtraction. Okay, repeated subtraction means it is division. Okay, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Okay, 8 divided by 4, what 8 and 4 is a whole number, 2 is also a whole number. Okay, so we get a whole number only. Okay, next 5 divided by 7, 5 divided by 7 आपको पॉइंट में आंसर मिलता है, और नहीं तो 5 by 7 is not a whole number. Okay, ऐसे आंसर पॉइंट में मिलता है तो it is not a whole number. Okay, 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that is a whole number. 6 divided by 5, 6 by 5 पॉइंट में आता है, नहीं तो फिर 6 by 5, it is not a whole number. Okay, next 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 आप करोगे तो कितनी बार आप करते रहोगे, that is division is repeated subtraction. अब हम subtraction करते रहेंगे तो 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 0 is 2. ऐसे it doesn't end, it goes on and on. So it is not defined. Okay, so divided by 0, 2 divided by 0 is not defined. So what we can finally say, division of a whole number by 0, 0 के division by 0, okay, whole number कोई भी whole number divide by 0 आप करोगे तो it is not defined. Okay, so finally what we can say, the whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication only, not under division and subtraction में नहीं है. Okay, इसमें नहीं है, सिर्फ addition and multiplication में it is closed. Okay, next property is commutative property, that is commutativity of addition and multiplication. What do you mean by commutative? Commutative का मतलब if you change the order also the result will be same. Order आप change करोगे तो भी answer will be same, the result will be same. Okay, so first we will see in addition operation, then we will do multiplication, then subtraction and division. Okay, we can add addition में we can add two whole numbers in any order, the result remains the same. Okay, अगर आप two whole numbers आप add करोगे, okay, any order, okay, कोई भी order पे आप add करोगे the result will be same. That is 5 plus 2 is 7 and 2 plus 5 is also 7. Okay, कोई भी order, that is 5 and 2 का जो change आप करोगे, 5 plus 2 को 2 plus 5 करोगे तो भी आपके answer same रहेगा. Okay, so we will do it in the number line. Example 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 3 plus 2 is also 5, 2 plus 3 is also 5. Okay, so 3 यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, 3 से शुरू करेंगे, कितनी जंप करना है, 2 जंप. 1 2 2 जंप करने के बाद you reached 5. So what is the answer? 5 है. Okay, so we will do like this also. 2 से शुरू करेंगे, 2 plus 3 का करेंगे, 3 जंप करेंगे. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 जंप करने के बाद you reach 5. So कैसे भी आप कर रहे हो, that is 3 plus 2 नहीं तो 2 plus 3 दोनों सेम है, आपके आंसर सेम मिलेगा. ओके, नंबर लाइन में आप चेक कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो नॉर्मली भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, देयरफॉर एडिशन इज कम्यूटेटिव फॉर होल नंबर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखेंगे. ओके, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी सेम मेथड आप करके देख सकते हैं. मल्टीप्लिकेशन दैट इज we can multiply two whole numbers in any order. Okay, the result will be same. We can multiply any two whole numbers in any order. Okay, कोई भी order पे आप multiply करोगे तो result will be same. Okay, the result will be same. Okay, so 4 5s are 20 है, 5 4s are भी 20 है, 6 9s are 54 है, 9 6 are भी 54 है. Okay, 10 6 are 16, 6 10s are 16. Okay, अब कोई भी ऑर्डर पे आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो you will get the result, same result. Okay, so multiplication is commutative for whole numbers also. Thus, addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Okay, next subtraction. Okay, we cannot subtract two whole numbers in any order. आप कोई भी ऑर्डर पे सबट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आपकी आंसर सेम नहीं रहेगा, अलग अलग आंसर मिलेगा आपको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 minus 2 is 1. ओके, 2 minus 3 is -1. सो +1 और -1 का तो डिफरेंस है, सो यू विल नॉट गेट द सेम रिजल्ट. ओके, 16 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 16. ओके, दोनों नॉट सेम है. कोई भी आप सबट्रैक्शन में ऑर्डर चेंज करोगे, यू विल नॉट गेट द सेम रिजल्ट. ओके, 20 minus 8 is not equal to 8 minus 20. Okay, next division. Division में भी ऐसे आप ऑर्डर चेंज करोगे, you will not get the same result. आपको अलग अलग आंसर मिलेगा. Okay, we cannot divide two whole numbers in any order. Okay, कोई भी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कोई भी whole numbers को हम we cannot divide. Okay, if you change the order, you will not get the same result. Okay, for example, 70 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 divided by 70. Okay, 10 divided by 2 is not equal to 2 divided by 10. Okay, इन दोनों का आंसर अलग अलग आएगा. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, 2 divided by 10 आपको 2 by 10 आएगा, तो और कुछ आंसर आएगा. So they are not same. The result is not same. So what we can say, the whole numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication only. Okay, so whole numbers किसमें commutative है? Under addition and multiplication only. Okay. What we learned today, we learned about the properties of whole numbers. We learned two properties, that is closure property and commutative property. Hope आपको दोनों properties समझ में आया होगा. So that's all for today. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.